In today's fast paced industrial world, efficiency and safety go hand in hand. Introducing the PSN FabTech's Trolley Cum Scaffolding Lift series. Engineered for safe, reliable, and efficient height access in industrial and commercial environments. Crafted with precision and built to last, the TCSL combines the functionality of a trolley and the reliability of a scaffolding lift, all in one versatile machine. The result? A single system that simplifies movement, enhances safety, and saves time on every job. The transition from trolley to scaffolding mode is quick and requires minimal manpower, allowing operators to set up safely and efficiently. The electric lifting system is controlled by a gear drive motor that provides smooth and precise elevation control. The lifting mechanism is controlled by both a wired and a wireless remote. The platform is lifted using branded Usha Martin ropes, and the maximum load is well within the lift's safe working load capacity. The trolley mode features 360-degree lockable nylon wheels for maximum stability and safety. The dual functionality of the platform guardrails allows the user to efficiently load and unload the machine while ensuring secure operation during use. Each TCSL features a durable mild steel Tata tube frame, precision engineered components, and a foldable design for easy storage and transportation. The TCSL can be transported with ease using our custom tracks that increase mobility even across highly uneven grounds. Let us look at 3 of our standard models and variations of the TCSL customized for their respective uses. This first one is a compact variation built for light-duty tasks and tight spaces. It offers a maximum platform height of 3.2 meters or 10 feet and a load capacity of 500 kgs and weighs just 300 kgs for easy mobility. This machine would be perfect for maintenance, electrical work, painting applications, and transporting items in a warehouse. It is important to note that each standard model can be customized with different platform dimensions, traveling heights, and load capacities based on their uses. This second model is meant for use at a higher elevation, and it supports a load capacity of 500 kilograms and a maximum working height of 5 meters or 15 feet. The electric drive control lifting system provides smooth and precise elevation control. The platform can be stopped at any level that the user chooses. This customer is a painting contractor and wanted to customize this machine for outdoor painting. This machine was in use at the new T Nagar Bridge until its recent inauguration. This second variation is ideal for medium-duty industrial, warehouse, and facility maintenance applications. The third variation is a high-reach version with a larger platform size designed for demanding warehousing needs. It delivers a maximum working height of 8 meters or 25 feet and handles up to 300 kgs of load capacity. To make working at such heights safe and stable, each model is provided with 4 support and stabilizer legs and anti-slip platforms. This model is suited for large-scale factories, construction sites, warehousing solutions, and infrastructure maintenance. Operating the lift is simple. Move the unit to the required location, lock the machine into place by engaging the wheel locks, and elevate the platform using the wired or wireless remote. The design ensures smooth motion, firm stability, and reliable control at all heights. Each model can be customized with dimensions, maximum elevation, and finish options to suit your project needs. Packed with features, the TCSL is the one-stop solution for enhancing your business's efficiency. All models are built to the safety and quality norms of PSN FabTech. Some of the features include lockable wheels for maximum stability, branded Usha Martin ropes with load capacities well under the safe working load, overload indicator for maintaining the safe working load, anti-slip platforms, touch for up and down, and release to stop buttons on the remote, corrosion resistant powder coating, guardrail for operator safety. Each lift is tested for safety, durability, and structural integrity. The mechanical load test, drive control test, and leveling test are some of the tests conducted before dispatch of the machine. The PSN FabTech Trolley Cum Scaffolding Lift series. Reliable performance, engineered safety, and effortless operation in one integrated design. For more details or to request a product demonstration, visit www.psnfabtech.com or contact us at 8056 555 277 or email us at info@psnfabtech.com. PSN FabTech, raising safety, elevating standards.